Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to do a bathroom refresh. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Reggie. I do all things DIY, home makeover, and anything in between. So in today's video we are going to do a very quick toilet or washroom refresh, and the reason I say it's quick because we didn't do any demolition. As you can see, it is just paintwork and some decor. So if you're looking to start like a new year with a new space, this is a very quick, simple makeover that you can tackle in your space. So thank you so much for being here, for clicking to watch my videos. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it, and share. Leave a comment down below so that I can know you have watched my content. So let's dive straight into the video, and I hope to see you at the end.